Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Unfaroma for FKIP, and this is my presentation and the title of The Use of Weblog in Improving Student Reading Skill, written by Muhammad Fahreza, Sulfatli Aziz, and Nurul Inaya from Syia Kuala University, Banda Aceh. Introduction. Reading skill. When students were reading English, they were difficult to express their ideas. They did not even understand the term's content or main idea of text. Problems. Student lack of vocabulary had become a problem to their reading. They tended to repeat the same word several times, and the word choice sometimes was inappropriate with the context they were. The method Weblog is one of the online media that can be used to teach reading. Literature review, definition of reading. Krim and Leah states that reading consists of words and those words are combined in particular formation to make sentence. Then the sentences are grouped together into paragraph. Definition of weblog. Richardson also said that the early adopters of weblog in the classroom have already created a wide variety of ways to use them, and they have shown that weblog can enhance and deepen learning. Research design, research method. The study applied pre-experimental study with one group pre-test and post-test. Population and sample. The sample of this research was class, which consists of 2,000 students, 40 males and 9 females. Research instrument. To collect the data, the research used a set of written tests, pre-test and post-test as instruments. The written test is used to measure the student ability in writing. Technique of data collection. Pre-test, the students were asked to write a written text with the topic My Holiday, which consists of 7% words. The research conducted experimental teaching for the class by using weblog. The rest administered the post-test to the student to find out whether there is such improvement of their reading ability after using weblog. For the post-test, they were asked to write a written text with the topic Memorable Day, which is consists of 11 words. Finding and discussion, data presentation and analysis. The pretest was conducted on the first meeting before the treatments were given. In the pretest, the students were asked to write a written text about Mau holidays. The time for the student to complete the pretest was 30 minutes. The result of data can be seen in the table below. The post-test was held after the treatments were applied in order to know if there are any significant improvement on student reading skill after teaching by using weblog. In the post-test, there was a question that the students were asked to develop it into a short written text. The question was, write a short written text about memorable days in 7 words. In this post-test, the students were given 30 minutes to accomplish the task. The result of data can be seen in the table below. Mean was very important part to measure the student pre-test and post-test score. There are 5 aspects in writing that need to be mastered, such organization, content, grammar, vocabulary, and mechanic. To make it clear, the comparison of writing aspect scores can be seen in the next picture below. Hypothesis testing. The research used the test formula in order to know whether there is significant difference between the result of the student ability before using weblog in teaching reading. From the result, the research found that the test of this research was higher than table. Afterward, based on the result above, it was shown that there was a significant difference between pre-test and post-test. In other words, the use of weblog improved student reading competence, especially in reading recount text. Discussion. In summary, the use weblog could improve student reading ability. Therefore, it can be said that the use of the weblog media in teaching reading can be an alternative solution to overcome the student difficulties in generating ideas using appropriate grammar and cohesive device. Suggestion. In teaching learning of reading, English teachers should be able to choose the most appropriate teaching media for the student. The teacher can use weblog as a media in teaching reading since this media has significant benefit for students. Therefore, English teachers are suggested to use weblog as media in the process of reading teaching learning. And thank you. And